Hate it when it does that. As I cut away the sides, every so often the snow will settle and just go whoop. It's a nice little noise and scares the bejeebies out of me. This is a pretty cozy little shelter. I'll tell you what, that is a beautiful view. Oh, I've got room to sit down, cook, sleep. This is perfect. Oh, this smells so good. A beautiful chicken mango curry. Oh, that was good. Check for leaks and put the hot water bottle in my sleeping bag. There's a couple key features that are really important to keeping you warm. First off, you don't want your sleeping area to be the lowest point in the shelter. The cold air tends to collect at the bottom. Another thing is you want to make sure your snow shelter has lots of corners. You don't want to allow the wind to blow straight into your snow shelter. Well, it is getting late and it's getting cold. Well, it's getting late, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat some peanuts and listen to an audiobook and go to bed.
Oh, good morning. Oh, I'm nice and warm. I gotta get up and make some breakfast. I'm gonna clean this place up and then we're gonna go explore outside. We got a lot of snow out there.
A proper little snowstorm up here. It is really snowing.